Better. I am checking my microphone. It's working. Hello, hello, mic check. There you go. Ayan. I can hear myself finally. Can someone please fix my microphone? Mellow 947 BFM, your playlist made better. 6 minutes past the hour of 3. Welcome to Mellow Live, exclusively happening on this frequency. My name is Anne. Welcome aboard this afternoon on Mellow Live. We are putting the spotlight on fresh, powerful voices in OPM. They are artists whose songs come from real stories, real struggles, and real heart. These talented creatives who are seated right in front of me are winners of the Department of Trade and Industry's Young Creatives Challenge Season 2, a nationwide platform that discovers and elevates the next generation of Filipino artists, giving them the chance to be heard on a bigger stage. Now, the grand finale was held at the SM Mall of Asia Music Hall last year, May 6, 2025, where these rising stars stood out and made their mark. And today, this afternoon, they are right here with us. We have grand prize winner Kervin Kane. We have second placer Alras Amarillo, aka Pluma, and our fourth placers Virgin Cano and Audie Acabal, represented by Jupiter. They are bringing their stories, their music, and the heart behind every song. So let's get to know the voices behind these winning songs right here on Mellow Live. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the show. Woo!
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much for having us. Thank you po.
Thank you. Salamat sa oras, ha. Alam ko na super packed yung araw nyo ngayon because mamaya you are gonna fly back to your homes. Diba? Welcome. So, Kervin, hi.
Hi po, Miss Anne.
Kervin, oh, may pa Miss Anne. Napaka-respectful. But, Kervin, you are from Cebu. Pluma is from Zamboanga City.
Yes, po.
Hello. And we have Jupiter and Audie and Ferjun from Dinagat Island.
Yes.
Yes, from the Philippines. Welcome to the show. Please do introduce yourselves. Welcome everyone. Baka your families are tuned in because we are on Facebook Live, we are on TikTok Live. So go ahead and say hi. If you want to say hi to them in your own dialects, go ahead. Let's start with Kervin.
Mayong buntag sa Tananday, mga taga Cebu, and also my parents. I don't know if they're watching, but
Hi Tito,
guys.
hi Tita. Pluma.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kataan si mga brother ko doon, and Chabacano is buenos dias na todo mga tauwi ko na monara.
Ang ganda pakinggan, ang sarap. And our friends from Dinagat Island. Jupiter, go ahead.
Yes, hello, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Mayong hapon kaninyong tanan, mga dinagatnon, and to all Bisaya. My name is Jupiter, but you can also call me Jupy, and I'm a singer-songwriter from Dinagat Island.
Woo!
Hello, what's up, Dinagat Island?
Lapit mo yung mic mo. Yan, there you go.
What's up, Dinagat Island? What's up, Dinagat noon?
Alam mo, nagkukunwari lang siyang shy type eh. Kanina off the air, dami mong kwento
Scripted yan eh.
Oo.
Excited lang po si Odi.
Oo nga eh. Ikaw talaga, Audie.
Ruth Audi Acabal, aka Odi Get That Dream, producer, music producer, hip-hop producer, EDM, and pop.
Let's go.
Odi Get That Cream. Ako po si Virgin Cano, isang lyricist po from Dinagat Islands.
And you guys are the top winners of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2. Before anything else, you guys are going to perform your winning songs this afternoon. But before we get to that, let's talk about the competition first. Tell us what it's all about and paano nyo na-discover yung competition and bakit kayo sumali? Oh, sinong gusto?
Na-discover,
Go,
kami
Virgin.
po, na-discover po namin yung competition ng DTI, yung YC2. Isla po kami, malayo. So, through internet po. Suki po kami, parang nagsisearch po kami online, ano yung mga competition. Tapos, nag-pop up yung...
Is this like the first competition you've ever joined?
Hindi naman po.
Okay.
Pero ito yung pinaka-massive po. Na
malawak yung reach.
Yes.
Okay.
Nag-pop up po sa feed ko. So, sinabihan ko po silang dalawa na salihan natin tong competition.
Pluma.
Yung sa akin naman po is
Alam ko
finalist.
iba-iba yung story niyo kung paano kayo
Yes
like
po.
sumali, right? Like if I'm not mistaken, a friend convinced you to join? Tama ba? Or
Bali,
was it
yung
Kervin?
friend ko po is
Okay.
finalist po siya.
Okay.
Tapos nakita ko yung perks ng mga ganapan nila. So naengganyo ako. Sabi ko, matagal na akong nagsa-songwriting. So, ba't hindi ko siya subukan? Eh, nung sinubukan ko, ayun po, pinalad po.
First competition mo ba?
Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman. Okay. Kervin.
Yes, actually, yung Young Creatives Challenge is a competition po siya ng not just songwriting, ang dami pong category. So we have like screenplay, writing, at mga game development. But sa akin naman po, may nagtag lang sa akin sa comment section. So yun, tinry ko lang din and then nagsend ako ng entry ko ng walang expectation. So, yun.
No expectations,
Yes,
and then you ended up being the grand winner.
Actually,
Wow,
yes.
congratulations to you guys. And I was asking a while ago, like, how many people joined season 2 of this competition, the songwriting category, and 400 participants joined this second season. And out of the 400, you guys are the top winners. Congratulations. Hindi biro
Thank you.
yun,
Thank you so
ah.
much.
And then coming from Cebu, Zamboanga, and Dinagat Island, Vismin ang mga winners. Aba. So, does that mean doon nanggagaling yung creativity ng Pilipinas? Ano?
Yes po, totoo po yan. Ulitin mo.
Gusto ko talaga yung certainty in your answer, no, with so much conviction. But okay, so this afternoon, the guys are gonna be performing their winning songs. I want to put the spotlight first on Kervin. You are the grand winner. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And I was reading up on your bio, on the PR about your song, and your song is called Gitna ng Kalawakan. So I saw there that you started when you were young. You started writing songs 13 years old, right? Amazing. That is really amazing. Pero you had a pretty long hiatus. So you stopped for 5 years and you decided to come back. Diba?
Yes. Actually, nagpahinga lang ako saglit. Pero
Saglit
actually,
na.
ang
5
taas-
years lang naman.
5 years, but itong Young Creatives Challenge talaga yung nagbukas ng spark sa passion ko sa music. So I'm very thankful for DTI.
Why did you take a break? I'm curious.
Oh yes, definitely. Kasi may day job ako, so parang na-caught between ako sa responsibilities and at the same time sa passion. So ang hirap nun kasi we have to put food on the tables para
Right,
sa family.
right. Yeah. And there was a time also ba na you thought of quitting music?
Parang almost talaga,
Okay.
pero hindi naman kasi may mga friends ako na, kailangan mong ipagpatuloy yung passion mo kasi siguro na-appreciate nila yung mga craft ko.
Right. And so this competition came along and it became like a push for you to get back to doing what you love, right?
Yes.
Creating music. So ladies and gentlemen, right here on Mellow 947 BFM, we're going to be hearing from the grand winner of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 songwriting competition. We got Kervin Kane, ladies and gentlemen, Gitna ng Kalawakan. Round of applause, please. You're hearing it first live right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM.
Sa pagsapit ng gabi ay pinilit ko pa rin tumanaw sa langit. Lumabo ang tanaw, handang isigaw sa gitna ng kalawakan. Unti-unting bumuhos ang luha sa aking mga mata. Kung babalik ka, ay di na hayaan pa. Nasaan na dilim ng umaga'y di na kita tiyakap at kapiling. Sumikat ng araw, bakit naliligaw sa gitna ng kawalan? Unti-unting bumuhos ang luha sa aking mga mata. Babalik ka, ay di na hahayaan bang muling nasaktan. Nasaan na ang kinang ng iyong tala na wala nung pinalaya at pinilingwan, di man lang nagpaalam. Nasaan na ang kinang ng iyong tala? Pinalaya. Hindi nagpaalam. Nasaan na ang kinang ng iyong tala na wala nung pinalaya at pinilingwan, di man lang nagpaalam. Nasaan na ang kinang ng iyong tala na wala nung pinalaya at pinilingwan, di man lang nagpaalam. Nasaan na, di man lang nagpaalam. Nasaan na, di man lang nagpaalam.
Kervin Kane, ladies and gentlemen, with Gitna ng Kalawakan, our grand winner for the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 songwriting competition. That was amazing. And you know what? That song started as one thing, and then it became something deeper. I am going to ask you more about that. Let me just take a quick break. We're going to be right back with Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM. Don't go away. Still doing Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM, your playlist made better. My name is Anne, and with me again this afternoon, we got the winners of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 songwriting competition. Before the break, we heard Kervin Kane with Gitna ng Kalawakan. And that song, when you were writing it, nung una tungkol siya about love, and then it eventually became something deeper. So what changed? Tell us all about it.
Yes, actually, yun po, ang initial idea is about long-distance relationship. Pero habang sinusulat ko siya, nag-iba yung direction. Parang nag-reflect siya sa 5-year break ko sa music. So parang instead na long-distance relationship, yung tinutukoy pala is hindi tao. Yun pala yung music. Yun yung
And you mentioned, like, in your PR when I was reading it, it's kind of like going back to your why when you feel like giving up on something. Parang ganun na naging tema nung kanta mo, diba? So what does going back to your why mean for you today? Like, ngayon nagbalik ka into music, diba? After that 5-year hiatus, going back to your why, what is your why? What made you come back? What beckoned you back into the music industry?
Yes, actually, sa music pa nagsimula ako kasi ito po talaga yung dream ko as maging musician. At yung why ko is eto yung gusto kong mag-resonate yung craft ko sa mga tao, na lahat ng emosyon na parang ma-relate din nila yung ang ibig sabihin ng mga craft mo. So, sana sa mga listeners ay nag-resonate naman yung itong kanta ko na Gitna ng Kalawakan. Sa mga may doubt, magpatuloy lang tayo sa mga pangarap natin po.
Oo, resilience and keep on hoping, 'di ba? Yun ang gusto mong maramdaman ng mga listeners when they hear this particular song. And let me just say, welcome back
Yes,
to the
thank you
music
po,
scene,
thank you
diba?
po.
Does it feel great to be back? I mean, after such a long time being away?
Opo. Sobrang saya. Overwhelming pero in a good way. Yes.
Hindi mo ba feel na parang medyo ang hirap na ulit magsulat ng song kasi medyo natigil ako ng matagal na panahon? Hindi naman.
Siguro partly meron pero hindi naman kasi even before na nag-break ako sa music,
You were
pansamantala.
still writing?
Kasi writing naman.
Okay. Ganun kagaling si Kervin, di ba? Oh my gosh.
Thank you po.
5 years away pero 'di ba nando pa rin yung talent. Well, if it's already in you, 'di ba? If it's in your system, that talent, it does not go away. Now, let's put the spotlight on Pluma. Hello Pluma, our second placer. Your song is called Pahinga, and I know it's like an intimate song, and then nung sinusulat mo ito para sa pamilya mo ba? For your wife? Because you were going through so much challenges?
Yes po.
Okay.
Bale, yun po, hindi ko na po i-disclose palagi yung nangyari. Basta may tragic po na nangyari.
Okay.
Ah,
May pinagdadaanan kayo during that time?
yes po. At kesa malunod kami sa kalungkutan, ay kinonvert ko po yung energy na yon into appreciation po sa resilience ng pagsasama namin at nandun pa rin po yung wife ko. So kaya po siya naging pahinga kasi despite sa nakakapagod na mundo ay meron tayong nag-iisang pahinga.
That is so nice. So, speaking of Pahinga, he's going to be performing it for us today live here on Mellow Live. Pluma, ladies and gentlemen, with Pahinga. You heard it first on this frequency.
Sound check. 1, 2. Sound. Sa'yo ko lang ito naramdaman. Gumagaan lahat sa tuwing minamasdan kita. Ibang hiwaga mo, ibang liwanag mo, ikaw lang aking ginhawa sa mundong nakakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga. Sadyang nakakahawa ang dala mong enerhiya. Nawawalang lungkot sa paligid pag nariyan ka. Ikaw naging lunas sa mga sugat ng nakaraan. Ikaw ang pinili kong makasama sa walang hanggan. Ikaw lang aking ginhawa sa mundong nakakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga. Ikaw lang aking ginhawa sa mundong nakakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga. Di
magsasawa, di pagpapalit. Tangi kong ginhaway, mga yakap mo't halik. Ikaw lang aking ginhawa sa mundong nakakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga, ikaw lang aking ginhawa sa mundong nakakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga sa mundong kakapagod. Ikaw ang pahinga. Thank you po.
Uma, ladies and gentlemen, right here on Mellow Live with a song called Pahinga. That's the second placer for the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 competition. That was a very personal song. You know, ang favorite line ko, sa mundong nakakapagod, ikaw ang pahinga. Kinilig ako doon.
Wag po.
Pero I know, it's for your wife, but that is such a catchy line. Diba? Talagang feel mo siya, diba? You wrote this song before you even found out about the competition, diba?
Yes po.
Tama ba? The song was
2 years old na po yung song before nung contest.
What made you decide to like choose this piece to be your entry for this competition?
First time ko po kasi pumili ng song sa mga songwriting contest na hindi logic yung approach. Ito po yung first ever na song na na-create ko out of genuine emotions po. So,
Right.
na-take advantage ko po yung pangyayaring hindi maganda at genuine yung emotion ko that time, which is kalungkutan po, at kinonvert ko po siya. At yun po, naging effective naman po
And
siya.
actually, when you sang that song, you can really feel the emotion, di ba?
Thank you
Parang
po.
ramdam mo talaga yung storya nung kanta, and you really felt it as you were singing it. Did you ever hesitate to release this? Kasi it's something so personal, but no naman.
Hindi naman, pero ano ko po sana siya, parang personal lang po sana na pang sound trip, ganun. Kasi R&B and hip-hop po yung influence ko talaga. So parang meron siyang, nagbibigay siya ng parang soft boy ka naman, parang nawala na yung kaastigan.
Soft
So
boy, okay.
ayoko siyang ilabas dahil sa
Parang nakikita ko sa image mo ka now na parang, ay hindi, cool ako.
ganun po. So yun po, hindi
But
naman.
it's a really, really nice song.
you po.
And I saw on your record. Wait lang. Hello, microphone. Ayan, gumagana. There you go. Woo! Technological struggles. But anyway, during the start of your career, may kwento ko na, you struggled to find platforms para makilala yung mga kanta mo. And then, nasabi mo pa nga na you felt kind of hopeless dahil parang walang platform para mailabas yung mga kanta mo. And then you found out about this competition. Gaano kahalaga yung ganitong klaseng plataforma na inclusive, malawak yung reach para sa mga talents like yourself?
Yes po, totoo po yung parang na-hopeless na po kami. Lalo na po sa Mindanao side. Hanggang nagkaroon na po kami ng stereotyping na pag taga Mindanao hindi ka mananalo sa contest ng Philippines.
Okay.
Parang ganun siya. So,
Okay.
dahan-dahan na rin namin siyang in-embrace. Alam kong maintindihan nila yun na hindi naman nanalo, mga taga probinsya, yung mga ganong Pero dahil po sa DTI Young Creatives po, nakita naman po natin regardless po ng traditions, lifestyle na pina-follow ng isang tao, as long as creative ka ay meron ka pong tsansa na mang-inspira din po ng mga ibang tao na malikain din po gaya namin. At napaka-thankful po namin sa DTI sa Young Creatives Challenge dahil nabigyan nila kami ng gantong platform kung saan nakaka-inspire po kami gamit ng mga crafts namin. At saka syempre po sa Mint po sa pag-alalay at pag-asikaso po sa amin dito sa pag-stay.
Right, kasi after the competition, you guys had mentorship workshops sa
Yes,
Mint,
po.
and then they were able to help you produce
Yes, po.
the music video and then your songs, right? And then now you went around and promoting your songs. You're here on Mellow, and we're so glad that you took the time to come and visit us and make us listen to your songs. Kasi ang ganda talaga. You deserve this spotlight,
Thank you po.
diba? This chance to like spread your music. And I hope that you guys keep on making music. Hindi pa tayo tapos, pakakala ng mga listeners natin, nagpapaalam na tayo. Meron pa tayong isa pang kanta. Diba? We are in for a treat this afternoon. Our fourth placer, tama ba? Our fourth placer, the song is called Salig Lang Ta. I hope I got that right. Yes, Salig Lang Ta, written by Ferjun and Audie, and sung by Jupiter.
Yes, ma'am.
I am gonna ask, ano ang ibig sabihin ng salig lang ta? But before you answer that, guys, let's just take a quick break. You're still listening to Mellow Live right here on Mellow 947 BFM, your playlist made better. Mellow 947 BFM, your playlist made better. 3:36 on the clock. Still listening to Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and again, this afternoon we are joined by the winners of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 Songwriting Competition. And we already heard from Kervin, from Pluma. And this time around, we're going to be listening to our fourth placer in the competition. The song is called Salig Lang Ta, and it's written by Ferjun and Audie and sung by Jupiter. Anong ibig sabihin ng Salig Lang Ta?
Yung salig lang ta po it's a popular phrase sa terminology in Bisaya.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, tiwala lang.
Tiwala lang. May memorizein ko nga yan, tapos gagamitin ko na.
Pwede din po.
Oh, Dayan, salig lang ta.
Yes. Actually, ganyan po ginagamit yung salig lang.
Okay,
Kung may
okay.
uncertainty, may problema, hindi ka sure sa mga bagay, sasabihin lang, salig lang ta.
And it's the perfect title for this song kasi it was born during difficult times. Sinulat mo for June during the pandemic. 'Di ba? 2020, and then a year after that, nagkaroon naman ng Super Typhoon Odette, and tinamaan yung community nyo doon sa Dinagat Island, 'di ba? So, out of adversity, you were able to write this amazing song. 'Di ba? Doon mo nakuha yung inspirasyon mo. Paano nagsimula? When you finally got yourself to sit down, grab that pen and write, ano yung nararamdaman mo during that time?
Ano po, 'di ba, pandemic parang tumigil yung mundo eh. So doon ko po nasimulan yung kanta. Tapos mas naging mabigat yung mensahe nung tumama po yung bagyong Odette. Kasi nag-volunteer din po ako sa isla namin. So kita ko po yung hirap po ba. So galing po doon na experience, mas nagkaroon ng saysay yung kanta kung bakit siya nagawa panahon ng pandemic. Tapos dumating yung Odette. Mas nagkaroon talaga siya ng saysay. At kaya hindi, parang 5 years din po siya na parang nakabangko po eh.
Talaga?
Yes po.
Okay.
Parang panahon po nun, nagstay lang siya, pero sure ako sarili ko na may maraming tao yung makakarinig ng kantang ko. Oo.
And then Audie came along, and then ikaw yung naglagay nung melody, right? Yeah.
Sulat na ni Ferjun yung kanta. Tapos, pinas niya sa akin. Tapos, ginawan ko agad ng
Teka lang, wait, si Audie, hindi ko masyado marinig. Don't be shy,
Yeah.
Audie. Hindi ka naman shy in person.
nung nasulat na ni
Okay.
Ferjun yung lyrics, tapos sabi niya na, Ode, kaya mo ba itong gawan ng melody? Tapos, ginawan ko na, sige bro, akong bahala bro.
Have you guys worked together
Yes.
before doing songs?
Tapos,
Okay.
Sa paggawa ko po ng melody po, talagang inuna ko po yung emotion para madali po siyang i-connect sa mga tao.
And how did Jupiter come into the picture?
They actually invited me para ako po yung mag-interpret ng song. And I am so happy kasi ako yung pinili nila. Kasi may marami din po kasi mga singer-artist din po sa amin. And may mga projects na din po kasi kami nagawa before. Kaya siguro mas mabilis na lang kumbaga yung connection namin. And at the same time, hindi din naman po ako nahirapang i-interpret yung song kasi me myself po isa din po ako sa naka-experience ng COVID and at the same time nung Typhoon Odette. So, hindi ako nahirapan kasi ako mismo relate ko siya.
Right.
Yes,
yeah.
and at the same time, yung part ko naman po is hindi ko lang siya kinantala yung kakantahin ko lang. So, kailangan kong lagyan ng emotion at kailangan ding malaman ng tao kung ano yung message na gusto namang ipaabot sa kanila through that music.
And siguro it also helped that, all of you are from Dinagat Island. So,
Yes.
nandun ka rin, alam mo yung storya, alam mo yung na-experience ng mga tao doon. So, I guess that also helped when you were interpreting the song, when you were singing it, di ba? Hindi ka lang kinuha just to sing it.
Yes.
Kinuha ka because you know exactly what the song was all about kasi na-experience mo siya firsthand, right?
Yes, ma'am, that is correct.
Yeah. So, right here on Mellow Live on Mellow 947 BFM, we are going to be hearing the fourth placer of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2. Winner, Salig Lang Ta is the name of the song, written by Ferjun and Audie and interpreted by Jupiter.
Pag-usap sa dagang sa kalibutan, dagang kasakit ang naagian. Sa pagpagtas sa mangit-ngit nga dalan, ang kalisod dili malitan. Kung abi mo, ikaw mag-inusara, dili ka angay nga mapala ka. Kay sa pag-abot sa hayag nga banda, ikaw ako tanan magdungata. Kung sugat ko ng kaog-maong ihatdon, sa kasing-kasing na pagod na panglaon. Nalinti ang dili maayong kagahapon, pagsubang sa bagang adaw ato ang dampon. Ay nagulat sa mga pohon, wilaing oras kundi karon. Diinit-ngit ang atong kagabiong, mas makita nato ang hayag na kaugmaon. Panahon na para magkahiusap, himuon natong kusog ang paghigugma para matuman ang pangandoy sa matag usa. Basta ikaw ako kitang tanan sa ligilang ta sa iya. Lahi-lahi magdalan nga gihagian, usara mang hapon ang gustong padingan. Ganong dili na lang tanin yung mag-uban, para sa pagkaswag na piling kita dunan. Hinumdumang iyang mga panaan, kay nang paglamang magasugot sa tumpalan. Sa pag-abot sa hayag nga banda, ikaw ako tanan magdungan ta. At kung sugato ng kaugmaong gihandom, sa kasing-kasing na puno mga paglaom. Nalimti ang dili maayo kagahapon, o pagsubang sa bagong alaw ato ang dampon. Ay naghulat sa mga pohon, wilaing oras kundi karon. Diinit-ngit ang ato kagabion, mas makita nato ang hayag na kaugmaon. Panahon na para magkahiusa, himuon natong usog ang paghigugma para matuman ang pangandoy sa matag usa. Basta ikaw ako kitang tanan sa ligilang ta sa ida. Pero kaayo nga daghatag kalisdan, ang tanan kalisura na ay hayag na kasulbaran. Way tamis kung way pait, tungod kay way tambal kung way sakit. Way tugna kung way ginit, kung way hayag kung way duyun. Way tarong kung way guba, way hinom kung way sabay. Ang mga problema nga to, kato bang karon, mao ang rason para kita mapadayon. Salig lang ta salig lang ta sa iya. Panahon na para magkahiusa, himuon natong kusog ang paghigugma para matuman ang pangandoy sa matag usa. Basta ikaw ako kitang tanan, salig lang ta iya. Makahiusap, himuon natong kusog ang pagigugma, matuman ang pangandoy sa mata ko sa. Basta ikaw ako kitang tanan, salig lang ta sa iya.
Salig Lang Ta by Jupiter, written by Ferjun and Audie. Ladies and gentlemen, our 4th place winner of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 Songwriting Competition. That was absolutely beautiful. And it means, again, Salig lang ta,
ibig sabihin,
tiwala lang,
Yeah.
right? And it was a song born out of kumbaga adversity dahil during the pandemic na isulat, 'di ba? And then a year later tinamaan naman ng super typhoon yung Dinagat Island, na apektuhan ang community. Do you feel na experiences like this, songs coming from pain or struggle, do you think that these make songs hit harder? Kumbaga mas may dating siya compared to like what? Love song, kilig songs, paggaling sa ganito, yung challenges, suffering.
Yes, ma'am. Kasi po, ibang connection po yung nabibigay mo sa tao eh. Kasi, kumbaga, we learn from our experiences, of course. Pero pag may mga struggle tayo, we look for something na, alam mo yan, magbibigay sa atin ng gaan ng loob eh. And we are so happy it's because through music, naibibigay namin yun sa kanila. Yun po.
Anong gusto mong maramdaman? Let me ask for June and Audie, when you were creating this song, if someone who's going through struggles in life, narinig tong kantang to, and listen to the lyrics, listen to the words, what do you want them to feel? What is the message that the song, anong message ang gusto mong makarating sa kanila through this particular song of yours?
The song Salig Lang Ta is para siyang reminder. The song Salig Lang Ta po is para po siyang reminder sa mga tao ba na kahit nahirapan tayo, nawawalan ng hope sa buhay, tapos minsan may pangarap tapos mahirap abutin. Yung Salig Lang Ta is parang reminder sa atin na kailan pala tayo magpatuloy at may tiwala lang sa sarili po.
Tiwala
sa Diyos
lang.
po.
Yes. Believe in yourself, believe in God, and everything will work out. And it did work out for all of you, diba? I mean, coming from Vismin and Pluma, kanina you mentioned that merong notion na pag galing ng Vismin, mahirap manalo in competitions like this, and yet you emerged victorious. Nandito kayo ngayon performing your songs. Top 3 songs in this competition where 400 participants actually joined, and these 400 participants came from all over the Philippines. Diba? So congratulations again, guys. What's next for you? Anong may expect natin from the 3 of you?
Actually ako, may
Yes,
plans
Corbin.
akong mag-release ng bagong song after itong Gitna ng Kalawakan. So, I'll just promote this song first and then I'm going to release soon. So, abang-abang po.
New music.
Yes, new music.
Oh, alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta, ha? You're gonna fly
Yes
back
po.
to
Fly back here and
Manila.
then punta ako sa Mellow.
Oo.
For sure.
Oo. May donuts kami dyan. Pluma, what's next for you?
Ayun po, gusto ko lang po din i-promote once again ang Pahinga. Out na po yan sa lahat ng streaming platforms. At abangan nyo po yung mga ibang genre kong ilalabas. At mas showcase ko pa po yung pagka multi-genre and multilingual ko. Itong taon, At gusto kong i-grab yung opportunity na wala pa pong ganong artist sa Philippines. So, malay natin, babalik tayo sa Mellow, di ba?
Oo. Anong malay natin? Babalik ka
Ayun.
talaga sa Melo.
Babalikan natin.
Yeah, this show is open, to all OPM artists. Pwedeng bago, pwedeng matagal na sa industriya. We want this to be a platform for artists to really showcase their music, 'di ba? Para mas spread natin itong mga ganitong magagandang awitin. Right, Jupiter?
Yes po, and I think it's time for us, diba? Lalong-lalo na po sa mga, kapabisaya ko dyan na madalhin yung ating music sa national stage, diba?
Yes.
And at the same time, para marinig ng maraming tao kung gaano kaganda yung music, kahit Bisaya siya, kahit hindi natin naiintindihan, through music, kahit paano may connection tayo. And at the same time, I just wanted to grab this opportunity, of course, to promote our latest single, which is Salig Lang Ta. Available na po siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms. And of course, we will be releasing songs soon in different language. We have English, Tagalog, and Bisaya para naman na kung makapili kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo. So yun po.
Audi.
Follow nyo po ako sa
Sige.
follow nyo pa ako sa
Lapit ka lang sa mic. Yan.
What's up mga taga-Dagat na all over Bisaya dyan. Follow nyo ako sa Facebook and Instagram, odigat.cream. Hip-hop, EDM, and pop producer po ako.
Alright. Perjun.
Ako naman po, gagawa pa ng mas maraming kanta and hopefully masulatan po tong mga magagaling.
Yes,
Yun po.
please.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got the winners of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 Songwriting Competition. Kervin Kane, Pluma, Jupiter, Audi, and Ferjun. Thank you so much. Wala ba kayong, before I let you guys go, baka you want to say hello to your loved ones who are watching us on Facebook Live, on TikTok Live?
Yan, syempre, shoutouts. Unahan ko na sila sa misis ko, ang dahilan kung ba't ko nagawa yung song na to. At andito na tayo
Siya ang
ngayon.
iyong pahinga.
Yes po.
Yes.
Tsaka yung mga anak namin. At yun po, subscribe kayo at follow PLUMA Pluma. Thank you po.
You know what? I wish we had more time to, magkwentuhan and everything. Kaya lang, we're already out of time. But thank you so much. And again, I hope to be seeing you soon pag nag-release na kayo ng new music. And again, to our listeners, if they want to check out your music, existing music, it's all on the streaming platforms, right? So, yay! Thank you so much for joining us. Round of
Thank you so
applause.
much for having us.
Sana
Thank you
meron
po.
tayong applause na sound effects. Yay! Thank you, thank you. We're saying hi to some people who are joining us on Facebook Live. John Victor is there. Hi, Chen. Russell Ray Bermejo says, good afternoon po, Miss Anne. Hi, good afternoon to you. Saying hi also to a friend of mine, Marvin Macalino. He is, isa pa to, na napakahusay na creative, young creative. He is a children's book illustrator and author. So congratulations, Marvin, on your new book. And he is inviting all you guys to join him sa book launch and signing niya on Saturday, April 25, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Ayala Triangle Gardens. Ang book niya is entitled Ang Una Kong Takbo. So there, if you guys want to check that out, it's happening Saturday, April 25 at the Ayala Triangle Gardens, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Again, thank you guys for joining us today. Salamat and have a safe
Thank you
flight later. Yeah,
Yes.
lahat
Ingat
kayo
kayo.
sabay-sabay later ang flight.
Sila lang po.
Kami lang po. Dito na siya.
Okay.
Dito lang siya.
So dito lang si Pluma. All right. Again, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having us po.
Thank you so much
Thank
po,
you,
Miss
thank you,
Anne.
Miss Anne.
Right here on Mellow Live, the winners again of the DTI Young Creatives Challenge Season 2 Songwriting Competition. And that's it for Mellow Live today. Join me again next week, Thursday, 3 p.m. as we give you this special show that puts the spotlight on original Filipino music and the best artists from our country. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Keep it right here on Mellow 947 BFM, your playlist made better.